Next, let's go ahead and download and enable a module. So I'm going to go back to the command line here, and I'm going to clear the back scroll. And the command I'm going to use is drush dl. Now we just used that for the Drupal project, but this time we're specifying a module. We're using redirect, and we're specifying a particular release here. Now if we wanted to download just the latest version, we could simply put in redirect, or the name of the project, and leave off all the rest. But we're downloading an older version of the module here so we can update it later. We're also specifying where we want to put this module. We want to put this in our Sites All Modules Contrib folder. Now, if you do want to download a specific version of a module like this, let me show you how you can get the name. I'm going to go ahead and jump to the browser, and I'm going to go to the redirect project here by going to drupal.org/project/redirect. And if we scroll down to view all releases, each release has a download, and you can copy the name of the download minus the .tar.gz or .zip, and that's the name of the release that you want to specify when using Drush. So let's go ahead and run this. I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. It's being kind by asking us if we want to create the Sites All Modules contrib directory. I'll go ahead and hit Y. Okay, so now if we jump to our file system, I'm going to go ahead and expand loc.drush install and expand Sites All Modules. Here's our contrib folder, and here's our redirect module. So now we have it downloaded. Let's go ahead and install it. The command is simple. It's drush en, short for enable, and then the name of the module, redirect. It gives us a confirmation. Let's go ahead and hit Y. Okay, so now if we jump to our site and we took a look at our modules listing page, we see that it's listed here under other and it's enabled. So the next time we need to do this with a module, it would be fairly quick. It's simply a two-step process of running the download command and then running the enable command.